Hey, what's up YouTube? This is James with RPM Improvement Outdoor Services. Thanks for swinging by the channel today. If this is your first time stopping by our channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and always remember to hit that bell so you can be notified of when our up and coming videos are coming to you. Hey, today we are using the ECHO Bearcat DL8. We went and picked this up last week. We were supposed to start fall cleanups last week, but it snowed on Monday, which was all right because we couldn't pick this piece of equipment up until Tuesday. So we got a little bit of video of our trip down there to Arthur, Illinois to Power Plus Equipment to pick it up, and then we'll show you some video of it in action. So stick around and we'll be right back at you. So we are heading to Arthur, Illinois to our ECHO dealer. We made a purchase. We're heading down to pick it up.
It's finally in, and the timing couldn't be better.
Yeah, it couldn't be better. This product has nothing to do with snow.
Nope.
But we're excited. We're upgrading a piece of equipment, and it's time.
Yeah, yeah. It served us well.
The old piece.
The old piece served us well, but we have effectively outgrown it.
You know, we like to say, use what you got till you can get what you want. And that's the name of the game whenever you're starting a business. That's the way we think that you should look at things. It doesn't matter, you don't have to have the best to start out with, but you should be working towards getting the best that suits your needs for your business. So yesterday we were supposed to start our leaf cleanups. That's when the scheduled start of leaf season for us was. We actually got one in. Started snowing and ended up getting about 3 inches of snow. So we ended up going out and plowing, doing some commercial and residential snow clearing, snow management. So even though we couldn't do our leaf cleanups, you know, our fall cleanups, we're still able to generate income by being diversified.
The other name of the game.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, diversification is a pretty important factor, I think. And there's a lot of folks out there that mow and do fall cleanup and snow plow, do spring cleanups. That's pretty much what they do, but they're still diversified. It's hard to make a go of it if all you do is mow lawns.
Yeah, I mean, one good side to being diversified is, you know, what generates the revenue that you're looking for will show itself out of the services you offer. Some services you can end up deleting or only performing those services for particular clients or stuff like that.
Yeah, I mean that's a good point, because we were going to go into the aspect of power washing, but I mean we do some power washing, but we do not advertise it or try and promote it at all.
No, it's just for some circumstances.
Basically for our clients who want it done so that we can still be providing them service instead of them going outside of what we, outside of us looking for somebody else to do something.
Right.
This Echo dealer down here in Arthur is a pretty cool dealer. They also sell Walker mowers, World Lawn, and Snapper. I think that's the three mower brands that they sell. There isn't a lot. I mean, I've never seen World Lawn around here before, so, and very seldom you see a Snapper.
Yeah.
You see Ferris now. You didn't used to see Ferris a lot, but you see Ferris now.
Yeah, the other dealer in Arthur is Ferris and Hustler.
Yes.
Sure are proud of those Walker mowers, though.
They are proud of their Walker mowers.
And they're good, don't get me wrong.
This is the purchase.
Serious reach, man.
The ECHO Bearcat
DL8.
We'll get this hooked up tomorrow.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
We got to use that ECHO Bearcat debris handler today for the first time on some seriously wet leaves. What do you think about it, Chad?
Fantastic, fantastic. I mean, the snow just melted. What, 2 days ago?
Right.
So I mean, definitely heavy, wet leaves.
It was actually spitting rain today while we were doing the leaf cleanup. So.
Yep. And I mean, probably cut our time by 2/3
easily.
Definite time saver.
Absolutely. I think for all intents and purposes, it has been a great investment on our part. And anytime that you can make an investment that cuts your time and keeps you making the same money or more money, it's a good business decision.
Right. You know, we obviously couldn't go out and buy this 3 years ago.
No, we had to work our way up to it.
You know, we used what we had till we can get what we want.
Absolutely. Well, thanks for watching, folks. We really appreciate it. Hope you got something out of it or enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you know when the new ones are coming. Until next time,
See you later.
out.